everyone, I want to share a tutorial to make a video presentation in parallel session ICC GAN 2021. Hello everyone, this is tutorial to make video presentation using Zoom meeting. In the first step, please open the application Zoom Meeting on your PC. A Zoom Meeting window will appear like this, and then select New Meeting and click this. This is the main window appear on Zoom Meeting. Then you click Join with Computer Audio. And next, at button tab, there is a record icon. This is record icon. Click to record the screen display. And you also open your presentation. And then, after you open the slide presentation, it will automatically appear on the share screen. Click share screen. This is automatically appear on the share screen. And the example is my slide. And next, click share. And this is the view you recorded, and this Zoom meeting. This is a slideshow, and this is yours. And next step, click the pause button to pause the recording, or you can click stop button to stop to end the recording. And next, to finish the recording by Zoom, please click End Meeting for All. This is the button. Please click button End to finish the recording by Zoom. To finish or to close the Zoom meeting. And the video recorded will be complete to MP4 when the meeting ends. This is to convert meeting recording. We need a few minutes, and the video recording can be viewed in Zoom folder. This is Zoom folder. The file MP4 from recording video by Zoom can be seen on the folder Zoom. This is like this. Okay? And here is the video recording using Zoom meeting. Okay, good afternoon everyone. I want to presentation our research with the title. This is on the resolving strong domination number of corona and Cartesian product of graphs. We have joint research with Prof. Devik, Ika Hesti Agustin, Dwi Agustin Ratnawardhani. We are from Sigen Research Group, University of Jember. Thank you and good luck for all presenter in ICC GAN 2021. Bye!